Okay, so I'm trying to give you a better idea of what's going on in the factory, and people are always saying that we don't do enough updates and people don't see what's going on. So I'm trying to do quick little 1 or 2 minute videos as frequently as possible, just so you can see what's going on, because there's so much going on, but most people don't see it. So I just got this. This is a really cool device. What this does is you have a connection. It's called the Ohm 5 from DJI. So you have a connection that connects to your cell phone. I'm going to pop this on, and it's a magnetically locking piece, and it connects to your phone securely. And so it's basically a gimbal. I'm going to turn this on, and it positions itself. Open the camera. Actually, there's a special app you launch, and then it connects. So this will help me to be able to walk around the factory and do updates. It gives a little tutorial guide there. So it has some really useful tutorial guides. You can do some really cool video with it, but however you move the camera, the gimbal, it always keeps it nice and steady. So it's kind of a cool way of doing this. It also has face tracking, so if you move your face, it moves to rotate, so you can see that moving. It's kind of a cool thing. I lost my tracking there. Not perfect. And then you have manual controls here as well. So you can control whether it goes up. You can tilt up and down and left and right. And then there's some other controls there to press the record button. And you can switch from facing me or facing out, and then you can also lock it not just on your face, but you can lock it on objects, which is kind of cool. So you can do these cool moving shots. So I'm looking forward to trying this out and seeing what it can actually do. There's a zoom in and zoom out button right there as well. And then a really cool feature is that it pulls out like this. Whoop, there you go. So now you have an extended arm. It's kind of neat. I like that. So I'll see what kind of content I can create for you guys, and give you more regular updates of what's going on with CPod production.